Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up your HP DeskJet 4255e all-in-one printer step by step for the first time. So let's get started with the setup. Step 1. First, remove the printer from the box carefully. Now, remove all protective tapes, stickers, and packing materials from the outside of the printer. Next, lower the output tray. Open the ink cartridge access door and remove any cardboard or packing material from inside the printer. Then, close the cartridge access door. After that, lift the scanner lid and remove the protective film from the scanner glass. Make sure all packing materials are removed before turning on the printer. Step 2. Now connect the power cable to the back of the printer. Plug the other end into a wall power outlet. Press the power button to turn on the printer. Wait until the printer becomes idle and silent. Important note, do not connect the USB cable at this time. The connection will be completed later during software setup. Step 3. To continue the setup, you need the HP Smart app. Open your browser and go to 123.hp.com. Download and install the HP Smart app on your computer or mobile device. Once installed, open the HP Smart app. Click on Add Printer. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your printer to Wi-Fi. Signing up for HP Instant Ink is optional and depends on your region. Step 4. Now, let's load plain paper into the input tray. Raise the input tray, slide the paper width guide to the left. Insert a stack of plain white paper into the tray. Adjust the paper width guide so it touches the edge of the paper. Lower the output tray and pull out the tray extender. Before printing, always make sure the correct paper size is selected in the print settings. Step 5. Open the ink cartridge access door. Remove the black ink cartridge from its package. Hold the cartridge from its sides and remove the protective plastic tape. Important, do not touch the copper contacts or ink nozzles. Insert the black cartridge into its slot and push gently until it clicks into place. Now repeat the same steps for the color cartridge. Close the ink cartridge access door. After installing the cartridges, the printer will automatically print an alignment page. Lift the scanner lid. Place the alignment page face down on the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid. Press the copy button to scan the alignment page. Once alignment is complete, your printer setup is finished and ready to use. Step 7. If your printer is not connected yet, open the HP Smart app again. Select Add Printer. Choose your HP DeskJet 4255e. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Follow the instructions to complete the connection. Now your printer is ready for wireless printing. And next, test print confirmation. To confirm everything is working correctly, open the HP Smart app. Select your printer, tap Print Documents or Print Photos. Print a test page. If the page prints successfully, your setup is complete. And next, troubleshooting tips. If your printer is not detected during setup, restart your printer, restart your Wi-Fi router, make sure your device is connected to the same network. Then, reopen the HP Smart app and try again. That's it! Your HP DeskJet 4255e all-in-one printer is now successfully set up and ready to print, scan, and copy. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup tutorials. If you are still facing any issues while setting up your printer, don't worry. You can contact our printer support team anytime for step-by-step assistance. Our experts are available to help you with wireless setup, driver installation, ink cartridge errors, offline printer issues, and more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.